Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Sarah, what time does Mark's train arrive?
Let me check the message. It says 2:15 p.m.
It is already 1:30. We need to leave now.
Do we take the bus or the subway?
The subway is faster. The traffic is very bad.
You're right. Let me grab my blue coat.
Don't forget your umbrella. It looks like rain.
Good idea. Okay, I am finally ready.
Let's go. We don't want him to wait alone.
Is this the right platform for the central station?
Yes, the green line goes straight there.
How many stops is it from here?
I think it's 5 or 6 stops.
Look, the train is coming right now.
It is very crowded inside the car.
Can we fit with your big backpack?
Yes, just move to the center.
I really hate the subway at this hour.
Wow, this station is absolutely enormous.
I always feel lost in this building.
Look at the ceiling. It is so beautiful.
Where is the big arrival board?
It should be in the main hall.
I see it. Over there, near the big clock.
Let's find the train from Manchester.
It's at the bottom of the list.
Platform 19. Let's hurry, Sarah.
We still have 15 minutes. Coffee?
Yes, I really need some caffeine today.
There is a small cafe over there.
2 black coffees, please.
No, I want a large latte with sugar.
Okay, 1 black coffee and 1 latte.
Is that a fresh croissant I see?
No more snacks. We are having dinner later.
Fine, just the coffee for now.
Wait, did the board say platform 9 or 19?
I am sure it said 19.
Let me look at the screen again. Oh no,
What happened? Is there a problem?
they changed it. Now it says platform 4.
That is on the other side of the station.
We have to run again, don't we?
Yes, follow the signs for tracks 1 to 5.
This station is a nightmare today.
Look, I see the lights of the train.
Here it comes. It is a very long train.
Which car is Mark in?
He said he is in car number 4.
That should be near the front of the train.
The train is slowing down now.
I am so excited to see him after a year.
Me too. He is a very good friend.
There he is. Mark, over here.
Alex, Sarah, it is so good to see you.
Welcome, Mark. How was the long trip?
It was fine, but the train was very slow.
You look great. Did you buy a new jacket?
Yes, I bought it specifically for this trip.
Let me help you with that heavy suitcase.
Thanks, man. It is full of books and gifts.
Gifts? You are always so kind, Mark.
It's just some small things from my town.
Mark, where is your small black backpack?
It is... Wait, where did I put it?
Did you leave it on the seat?
Oh no, I think I did.
Run. The doors are still open.
I have it. I have it.
That was close. The train was moving.
I am so clumsy today. I am sorry.
Don't worry. We have all the bags now. Should we take a taxi to our place?
Is it far from the station?
About 20 minutes if there is no traffic.
A taxi sounds perfect. I am quite tired.
The taxi stand is outside this door.
Look at the long line for the cars.
We have to wait for 5 minutes.
That's fine. I like the fresh air here.
Look, a yellow car is coming for us.
Here we are. Welcome to our new home.
It is a very beautiful building, Alex.
Come inside. We live on the 3rd floor.
Is there an elevator? My bags are heavy.
Yes, and it is very fast.
Welcome to our living room.
This is lovely. I love the large windows.
Sarah spent a lot of time decorating this.
I wanted it to be comfortable for guests.
Okay, let me open my suitcase now.
Oh, are these the local sweets?
Yes, and I have a surprise for Alex.
What is it? A new gadget?
No, it is a vintage camera from the 70s.
No way. This is incredible.
And what did you bring for me?
A handmade silk scarf from my aunt.
It is so soft. Tell her thank you. Alex, the stove is not turning on.
Did you check the gas handle?
Yes, but there is no flame at all.
Maybe the igniter is broken.
Let me try to use a match.
Be very careful, Alex.
There. It is working perfectly now.
Phew! I thought we were going to eat cold food.
I am glad you fixed it so fast. This pasta is absolutely delicious, Sarah.
Thank you. It is a very old family recipe.
So, Mark, how is your life in the city?
It is okay, but I work too much.
How long can you stay with us?
I have to go back on Monday morning.
That is great. We have the whole weekend.
We are going to the big park tomorrow.
I can't wait to see the trees. I am sorry. I am so tired.
It has been a very long day for you.
Go to bed, Mark. The guest room is ready.
What time is breakfast tomorrow?
No alarms tomorrow. We sleep late.
That is the best plan I have heard.
Good night, Mark. See you in the morning.
Good night, guys. Thank you for everything.
Sleep well, our friend. I am so happy that Mark is here.
Me too. He is such a great person.
Are the kitchen lights off?
Yes, I checked them a minute ago.
I am going to sleep too. I am exhausted.
I will join you in a moment.
It was a Good Friday, wasn't it?
Yes, a very good day. Good night, Sarah.
Good night, Alex. See you tomorrow.